Hi, I'm Mike from Airlift Doors here, and I'm going to show you how to change the beaded rope here, or replace the beaded rope. So right now we're going to take off the top. Just make sure we notice which side the beaded rope is on, because later on we're going to want to replace that beaded rope with a new beaded rope. So if it's on the right side, make sure it's on the right side when you replace it. So just take notice of where the key thing is, and all we do is take these bolts off here. So once you take the cover off, you'll notice where the beaded rope is, and the beaded rope is going to be at the bottom. So you want to make sure when we're replacing that the beaded rope is also in the same exact spot. Otherwise, you won't be able to engage the motor. So this is the new beaded rope that we're installing right here. Because again, we want to make sure that the beaded rope starts on the bottom and we work our way up here, so that again we can pull this rope and it'll engage and disengage the motor. Now that we got the cover on, we just make sure that these two sides of the beaded rope are in these channels, so it can fit properly in there. Last thing we do is tighten these bolts up, and the last step is just making sure that the beaded rope is going to engage and disengage the motor. So check your work a couple times, see if it's going to run smoothly. If not, you probably didn't do it the right way, so you might have to take it apart and just make sure the beads are on the right sprocket. And those who are changing it from an Elite to a Premium model, you'll notice that this little bead right here is going to be cut off and it's going to be really small. And so that is what we're replacing right there. So the one that we get is going to be much longer than that, and you'll be able to use both sides. So you just got to make sure that that line lines up where the other one lined up, so you can still engage and disengage the motor.